সুগুরি বলা আর দাহে বলা কো আর আমাগুজো ওনারা ক্যালকুলি সাইয়া যাতে আর কোমর হাল করে এই তারা বুঝিবার মতন তো আর এটা একটা সিচুয়েশন তৈরি করছি ইনশাআল্লাহ তো ওনারা আশা করি জিনিস এর খেয়াল করিবেন আর আমার ড্রামা শুরু হইব ইনশাআল্লাহ তো আর দুজো আর ড্রামা টিমর উপস্থাপন করিবার লাগলে আর উস্তাদ জিয়াউর রহমান সাহেব
What are you doing now? What I told you to stop studying there? You don't listen to me? Yeah, stop studying now. Stop studying now. I told you before. Don't allow them to study. Okay, you don't listen?
Actually, you do not know what is the important of education.
Only you say education. What is education? If I do not work a day, you cannot eat anything. You see, in my house there is not nothing, super anything. There is not any food in my place. Why should not send them to work today? From now you tell them, send them to work with me. I stop studying, no need to study. I want money. If they can make money, also they can make my family. I can take that. Why you don't understand? I don't know. Okay? Tell them, go to work now. Stop studying. Money.
Study? No. Okay. What's your name? Mama Shala, what's your name?
My name is Muhammad Akhtar Farooq.
Okay, brother. For your collective statement, like your age, many students in my institute study. So you want to study? You want to study? Okay. If you want to study in my school, can admit. Okay? Okay? No need to collect this. But this is very important for study. Okay? Okay, no problem. Brother, I will manage for you to study. Inshallah, will you agree? Okay. I will meet with your brother. Okay, good. Assalamualaikum. So I showed that we are going to but I want to ask you,
What is the problem? I said them to follow that parameter. And they cannot take inside this parameter, they can make money. What do you mean? I don't know.
You know, listen to me, please. Cool down. I think you will try to admit that. So, I know you are facing very difficult situation. Inshallah, you will be happy and peaceful life. I know you are problem.
You see my house, there is not any food, any super, any not everything. So now there's electricity bills, voluntarily get in the budget. How can I let them if I admit them to
No problem. Don't worry. If you will admit here, no need to pay any money. Everything is free. We have a expert. This name is Mahakam Salkuran Al-Qadiya. The picture, you can admit there. No need to pay anything until finish your study. Okay? You agree?
Okay, I admit you.
Alhamdulillah, so I want to call my principal. Okay. Ustaz, I'm sure to a student they are collecting estimated photos. But I say everything for about our Mahkamah Sultan Al-Quraniya. So they are interested receiving education. Could you admit your Ustaz? Okay, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, today I will admit you to a school. From there you can start.
Ustaz, this is okay.
I welcome you, mashallah. Thank you so much for that. So, how is this English family is always a very something.
I make it at a particular because it's a matter of incentive. So I am very grateful.
Thank you so much. Would you like to do something? So, Alhamdulillah, I very appreciate to come from Mahat office. I as a principal from this Mahat office. So, inshallah, we have a good system in academic. We have two sections in our Mahat office. One is the Mahat office, especially we focus on Quran memorization, and another is academic. We have the 8 subjects. So inshallah, we are also food and knowledge. Now have to pay the school fees. So inshallah, how about you?
What is the system of your curriculum of your school? Can you explain me this?
Yeah, well, our curriculum, science, mathematics, English, BM, and art, etc. So, are you agree?
Yes, I am aware.
I have a sign here, respiration. Okay, thank you so much. So when the media comes, the media can share the technical problem, how is going the situation, family case, and so on. Assalamualaikum. This is principal from Mahat office. Is there anything else? Okay, thank you so much. Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah. So, inshallah, I am very welcome to you for attending our campus meeting. Thank you so much. Well, Thank you so much for your question. Your Honor, our Mahatahfiz name is Mahatahfiz Al-Quran Al-Lithuanian. Is founded by Mr. Said. Alhamdulillah, our Mahatahfiz at the moment has 8 children and 8 sisters. Here we follow the English syllabus, especially we have a Tahfiz section. So we focus going on Quran memorization skill, and we have academic set out several subjects like academic, Quran, Arabic, science, and English. So the subject we try out now understood. So we have this one. And on top of that, we have more facilities. We make the kids usually after us focus on football, and it's all that to keep the kids healthy, alive, physically fit as well. Currently we have 2 sections, as I mentioned. We have daily Tahfiz section, right, and then we have academic. So we offer mathematics, we offer science, Arabic, PM, and science. So those are subjects we got the offer. Thank you so much. Well, currently we have decided this year moving forward we will focus much more higher level in the education. So we have the Tahfiz section and academic and academic. So inshallah we include reading, writing, and listening and speaking. So that's all. So and also we have to list the GCC exhibition song.
How can I help in Mahatahfiz?
Well, in my opinion, there are 3 ways you can help in our Mahatahfiz. The first one is the financial, the second is in-kind, and the third way is volunteer. So the first way, basic financially, we have benefits such as electricity, water bill, shelter costs, we have teachers, salary, education, and especially also. So that's all. Graduate police student who will share something.
To stand beside the media is expect and get proper and quality education. Thank you so much.
Do you have something to tell people?
Okay, thank you again for asking me. First of all, praise to the Almighty because of His blessing we are able to attend this award ceremony program. I'd like to thank Malaysian government, public, NGOs, donors, parents, teachers, and my dear students for being here today. Alhamdulillah, you have given us shelter, love very much. Today, only I want to achieve from you. This is the question. I have heard that from many people, education is the key of human life. It is very essential to share human life. So we are incomplete without education. We all give birth and have same manner at the same planet. However, we cannot get same opportunity to get such kind of formal education. These two kids are mine. Also, these two kids are mine. I have suffered from many kinds of difficulties because of financial problem. So I did not get proper education. Being a father, I am requesting you to give proper and quality education to Rohingya kids as they can reveal their life. I don't want them also they lost their everything. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much.
Rohingya family coming up. So we're going to just take a photo for the drama crew here, and I'll call upon the director of the drama studies, Ustaz Saeed. Please step forward. Take some photos here for the drama team. Alhamdulillah. Second one is Ustaz Zaino, the chairman of the United Arkan Institute Malaysia. And third one is Dato Nazar. Please step forward for the distribution of the award, inshallah. All right, so we start off with the first person to come second place in